This brief tutorial is going to be about using Google Gemini's large language model to turn an image of a table into something that's more usable and therefore accessible. We're going to ask Google Gemini, please OCR this document and extract the data. I'm going to drag and drop. You can also click the plus sign, navigate through your files to upload it. We're going to put it in here and let it think about it for a second. And ask, please put this into a table format. Excellent. Then I can do export to sheets and open sheets. I should then have all of the information that was originally available in the image. It is good to double check and make sure that all that information is correct. AI can make mistakes, especially when trying to read things like this that are images and don't include the metadata. They can also hallucinate and get things wrong. So it's good to double check and make sure that this is actually accurate. There would be some further steps to make this a fully accessible document, which we cover elsewhere. If you have any questions, if you need any help with this, feel free to reach out to Teaching and Learning. Thank you.